Hello, this is Matt Harris with Harris WebWorks, and today I'm going to talk about Odoo. Odoo, some of you might have heard of it, some of you haven't, but it's a company out of Belgium. They've been very successful in Europe, and they're starting to get traction in the United States. I've been following this company for at least a few years now. We finally have become partners, which I'm very excited about. We're starting to do some implementations, and we're really excited about it. And there's a few things that I love about this software. Um, Number one is that it's open source. If you've looked at some of my podcasts that I've done through Verato and uh, other things that I've talked about or know me, you know that we're advocates for open source software. We think it's a great starting point for small to medium sized businesses, even large businesses. There's a lot of enterprise businesses running on open source software. The entire internet, or most of the internet's run on open source software. So I won't bore you with that, but it's a great piece of software that is for Odoo specifically, targeting small to medium sized businesses. It's open source, like I said, and the reason we like it is that it can do a lot of things well, particularly for businesses that have want everything in one spot. They want to do a lot of customizations. They don't really, or a few customizations. It does a lot of stuff great out of the box. It's got a lot of um, extensions and widgets that you can add on to it. But essentially, it's kind of put all your business stuff in one spot and then customize it so that um, you can create workflows um, depending on what you're trying to do. So, an example would be a company that is leasing equipment and they want to keep inventory of that equipment, and then they also want to process documents for the leasing, and that's going to tie into their accounting. So they need to track this kinds of things. They want to be able to have a website that announces the leasing. People can go through a purchasing or leasing process on their website, something like that. It's just one example. If you're a small manufacturer, you can use this to um, go through a manufacturing process, um, taking raw materials, tracking those, converting them into products, converting SKUs and inventory, etc. So basically, it's everything in one spot. Um, and this graphic kind of shows you, you'll have your purchasing website, your CRM, your customer resource management, e-commerce, sales, human resources, manufacturing, which I just mentioned, some marketing automation, some inventory, and some accounting, all in one spot. And the beauty of this is that you won't, in certain instances, you won't have to have five different pieces of software to run your business. You can do everything in one system. Um, so if you want to learn more about this, if you're a small business, we're located in Connecticut. We're a partner of Odoo. Uh, we love it. We're big advocates for it. And so if you want to know if Odoo might be a good fit for your business, give us a call. It's Harris WebWorks. My name's Matt Harris. It's harriswebworks.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.